History of computers. During the 20th century, at the initial stage, calculations were done by mechanical computing devices. Abacus was the first mechanical computing device introduced by the Chinese. It is a manual calculating device used for addition and subtraction. Napier's bones were the next device for multiplication by an English mathematician, John Napier, in the 16th century. It performs operations like multiplication, division, extracting square roots, and diagonal modification. Slide rule was developed by an English mathematician, Edmund Gunter, in the 16th century. It could perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In 1673, Leibniz's multiplication and dividing machine were introduced, which could do both multiplication and division. Punch card system was developed in 1801 by Jacquard. Then, analytical machine was developed by Charles Babbage that was intended to be completely automatic. The computer has evolved from large-sized, that is occupying the big room, simple calculating machine to smaller, that is palm-sized but more powerful machines capable of doing highly complex calculations. The evolution of computers to the current state is defined in terms of generation of computers. The generation is described as a stage of technological development or innovation. The technological development in the field of computers not only refers to the improvements made to the hardware technologies, but also the improvements made to the software technologies. There are typically 5 generations of computers based on the technology used. Generations of computers. Technology employed. First generation computer, 1940 to 1956, vacuum tubes. Second generation computers, 1956 to 1963, transistor. Third generation computer, 1964 to 1971, integrated circuits. Fourth generation computer, 1971 to present, VLSI. Fifth generation computer, present and beyond, artificial intelligence.